Did it work? Are we good? Yay! Okay, we're alive. We're alive. That took me a minute, but we're here. Sorry, Dead Wolf. That took me a second. I'm sorry, but I'm here. Okay, are we ready? Steady. Let's do this. Okay, now that got sound. Damn, I don't know. Sometimes OBS just decides, nah, I'm not gonna work with you today. Today's just not the day. And you know, just true as Bob, the one day I don't double check, because normally I double check that it's working, because it used to do that to me often. And I'm like, it's been working so well, why would I double check? And then, true as Bob, I love saying those things now, just because we love Bob. Hey, Tofu Trading, how's it going? There we go. Is everyone ready for this morning? What do we think is going to happen this morning? Maybe let's start with that. We're thinking bearish, bullish. Hey, High Live! How's my number 800 doing? Oof, cool. That would have been bad. That's fine. Can stay. Capital Trade Concepts, how you doing? Welcome back. How's it going? Ooh, interesting. So, Deadwolf, you think we're ready for the big drop, really? Oh, High Life. Let's do this. Apple, hello, how you doing? Okay, now we're ready. Duncan, how are you? Are you guys ready for today? I was specifically looking at the... Make some notes here. Points of interest, where it might be wanting to come back. There we go. Oh, it did take those equals. Okay, let's check now the 15 minutes. Ugh. Hide all that stuff down. It's too busy. Whee! Okay, 15-minute. Hasn't really broken, has it? Okay. 1 hour. Did not close above. Let's see if there's a shift now. Okay, but Deadwolf thinks that the drop is on its way. Let's see. Dun dun dun. Okay. I'm excited. Are you guys excited? I don't actually know what I'm so excited for, but point is that I'm excited. And I'm ready for it. Oh, this was a bit of a big push up now. Do we think we're gonna have as much momentum as we had yesterday London session? Or is it just gonna be one of those days? Ooh. Okay, it's just sitting on VWAP right now. Wait, let me double check what's going on ES. Maybe be smart about this. Potentially not a bad idea to actually have a look and see what's going on, right? My dog is on a mission this morning. Oh, Deadwolf, I forgot to send you a proper photo of my big fluffy boy. I say fluffy, he's not that fluffy. I mean, he's fairly fluffy. the brat, yes, well, no, I told you guys yesterday, when he went and rolled in something absolutely disgusting, and then proceeded to want to sit on top of me, and I was very unimpressed with him. Like, very unnecessary to come and bring whatever weird dead thing you found on the beach. Gross. But it's okay. Okay, so did Mr. Wolfman, you're looking for a drop down. Everyone else, what do we think's gonna happen? What are we looking for? What are we thinking? To be honest, right now I don't have much of an opinion. Ah, okay, that's it. Sorry, I heard the monkeys jumping on the roof. So that answers why he's running around. Did you guys hear that? Capital trade concept, you also think sell. Interesting. Shorts above 500. Okay. Oh, that's what I was doing. I was like, I was just about to do something. There we go. Do we think it's headed for Asia low? Okay, did you hear that one? Next time I'm gonna just keep talking because maybe you guys will actually hear it. Damn, they are loud. Yeah, there we go. The bonk is the monkeys jumping on the roof, teasing my dog. They're really rude. Funny, but rude. Like, it's a, yeah. Okay, so here's Asia low. Maybe also mark this. Oh, right there. Maya, new biscuit. And then Asia high. Okay. So either it's gonna shoot up for the Asia high or pop down for the Asia low. There's two options. Okay, now. Deadpool, you say sell above 500. It's just kind of staying in this little bit of a range right now. I mean, I don't even know if this one, let's see. If this one, oh, if this one would have been close, but it would have been a win. But I mean, with how much it's spiking up, these trades are a little bit risque. This one would have been a loss, would have entered, would have come close. Straight for a loss. It's just a little bit unpredictable right now. Oh no. That's why. Thanks, Deadwolf. I actually didn't forget. Okay, well, that just ruined all of my excitement now because... Oh my goodness, sorry. Washed my hair this morning. It's decided now it's doing its own thing. Deadwolf, why are you coming here ruining my good mood? Joking. It's not your fault. I did forget about that, which means that we might just be choppy again. I hope not. I want to redeem myself after... Well, I say redeem myself. I can't look at it like that. New York session, not getting a damn trade in. Very frustrating. Very... Well, no, I don't want to say I'm salty about it, but me. Mango from California, how are you doing? I don't know why I did a little bit of an accent there, but hello. How are you? Are you ready for today? Yeah. I don't even know where it came from. I am not even good at accents. I've been told that very often. But then now and then, they'll randomly pop out. If they're decent, I don't know, but it happens. Mango, what do you think's gonna happen today? Also, how was the New York session for you? Deadwolf, I didn't even ask you. How was New York session? Did you carry on trading after I left? Was it whoop whoops, or did you rather leave it? Let us have a looky. See. Oof. Did not reach far enough down. This would have been quite a nice one. Oh, well done. Yeah, mango sounds about right. Traders, well done, Dead Woof. Dead woof woof. Anyways, well done, Dead Woof. Whoop whoop is what I was. The brain is working faster than the words are coming out today. Sorry guys, you're gonna have to bear with me while we do this. Is that a trail order you're using? No, it's just my GAN that I use to help me with my entries and trades. Ooh, damn, so it's like a whoop whoop, then womp womp, and then yay. Well done, Mango. Damn, well done, and then but like you said, if it was worth the risk, then it's fine. At least you knew what you were doing and it was risk management, and yeah, you know. And you're not upset about it, so that's good. So yesterday was just yucky for me, but I mean, it is what it is. Not every day is gonna be a great day. I'm not loving what's going on right now. I did not. You make a lot of songs, Deadwolf? You want to send me one? I'm super curious to hear what, like, yeah. Yeah, mango, as long, you know, green is green. That's what I have to always keep telling myself. Even if it's a little bit, green is green, right? I think it might keep pushing until around the 498, 500 level, and then it might retrace back down. But again, you know, I feel like right now it's anyone's guess. There's also very little anything going on right now. I'm waiting for some confirmation of structure. I wonder if it is gonna keep slowly pushing up until it takes some liquidity and then it's gonna melt down. Okay, that's exactly. It is diddling in the middle. Hence why I have not put a trade in. See? Damn. Oh my gosh, okay. Do you hear that? I hope you heard that, because they are so loud. I think they're having so much fun right now. Anyways, they're having way too much fun right now. Oh my gosh, guys. An option for me is to run outside and go boo, and then they'll run away, but they're having so much fun, I'll feel bad. Oh, here we go. Maybe it is gonna slowly start climbing up. Again, I'm not putting a trade in until confirm. Wait. Doesn't really feel like it's worth putting a trade in, but it might be. What? Whoop whoop! Well done! Dang, look at you go! That is awesome! Well done, Capital Trade Concepts. That's amazing. I'm sure you are super happy. It does look like it wants to slowly start pushing up. Which makes me want to... I just highly doubt it's gonna come this far down before it goes up. There we go. Well, guys, we got some momentum going. Yay. Am I in it? No, but still. Okay. See if it keeps going up a little bit more. I really thought it would have maybe just tapped VWAP one last time before going up, but oh well. Really? Why then, market sell? Also, hi, how you doing? Sorry, I didn't even say hi. How's it going? If I just jump up and start running, bear with me, it's because I hear the monkeys doing something weird. Hey, I love tech. How are you? How was New York? Did you trade New York? Yes, you did. You did. How was it? Also, that felt like a sad high. Okay. I did not. Is it insanity? I've heard it's just been surging, like non-stop. Deadwolf, it's headed to that point of interest of yours. Are you watching? I mean, that's always the question, isn't it? Oh, that's okay, Deadwolf. Did you send it? And do I have permission to potentially play it live? Asking for a friend. I heard my phone make a doo-doo-doo noise. I'm assuming that's you. Hey James, how are you? How's it going? Okay, well, at least we have a little bit of confirmation of bullish for now. If it comes back down here, this might be a potential. Also potentially a little bit risky, but might potentially be an okay trade to make. I don't know if it's going to come back this far though. He's about to hit a bit of an order block. How much it respects the order block is always a little bit of the question here. Oh no, that's a little bit too much momentum going down. The rich man, hi. Thanks, Deadpool. We'll call that. Well, did I? Yep. No, maybe. Flip, man. The Richie man, how you doing? Cool, that would have been a very quick, sad loss. Gonna tap back into VWAP. Maybe that's a better setup to be looking at. Well, actually, it just looks like it's surging down right now. Dick Wolf, here's what you were looking for. Wow. Paused very briefly on VWAP. You think so? You think it's gonna go back up now? I know, and it's already being a little bit unpredictable, so I'm like, oh. Part of my brain still wants to do this, make it a stop. Another part is saying, that seems like a bad idea. Oh, interesting. Okay. There's quite a bit of resistance going on there right now. Okay, so James, what I'm hearing is today and tomorrow are just gonna be terrible. Yeah, no, I'm not trusting this. I'll keep it up for curiosity's sake, but it feels like a risky trade, right? And risk management is I guess probably number 2. Number 1 is psychology and discipline, but number 2, risk management. And this feels very risky. I was curious about this though. Maybe if I stop being a fool. Let's see. Okay, did not go high enough. Cool, we're sitting back on VWAP. Deadwolf, you have a deal. I'm gonna maybe set it up if we get a flipping one. If I get a flipping trade in today, maybe. Maybe you need to make a sad song as well. Then I can have a winning song and a sad song. And I can put there, this is all because of Deadwolf. Or this is all songs courtesy of Deadwolf. There we go. I would get there eventually. So it wouldn't have tagged in going this way, so that's frustrating. Nope. Gonna run away again. Okay. Let's see if I can actually maybe focus today. Focus. Focus, focus. Hey Marzia, how you doing? Are you ready for today? Are you excited for today? Deadwolf, part of me wants to listen to it now. I just don't know if everyone else will be able to hear it. Because I know I have to set it up. I have to set it up. Hey Laura. Laura, I hope. How are you? Apologies if I butchered that. Oh. So the one fun thing about being a horse rider is that, well, actually, I think it's just about being a girl. Do you know how often I wake up and there's random bruises and I'm just like, how did that happen? There was a bruise here on my hand. I don't know how that happened. I know this one happened because of Finn biting me, but I have there. I don't know if you can see it. There's a bruise there. I don't know how it got there. And now my palm is sore. I don't know why. It's fine. It's fine. Laura, how are you? How have you been? How long have you been trading? And what do you trade? Sorry for the 20 questions. Yeah, welcome. See, Marzia, we're getting some more estrogen up in here. It's taken a while, but we're getting there. What's it? Time out. Time out. Deadpool. What? What did you just say? How did you manage that? Oh, awesome. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. And how do you find it? Okay, so I love tech. You think it's going back up? Nope, that's the wrong way around. Give me a minute. Also wrong because I'm a chop. There we go. Oh, it probably would have just ticked me out. Can you imagine? Also, I love tech. Oh, okay. I was about to ask, how do you know? Bo, good morning. How are you? How is it going? Laura, damn, I'm so sorry. Well, yeah, I must say, well, I believe that this is a really loving and supporting community. So, you know, we are here for you. I know you're new, but I really do. I love this community so much. We are all so nice. So I hope you're okay. If you need some whoop whoops, but if you need some help, I'm sure we're all here. Yep, there it goes. On the pound? Oh, LP, I'm sorry. Yeah, it's never easy losing a loved one. But, yep, that sounds about right. Sure, okay. Anyone here trade DAX? You're watching 6B, the pounds futures. Okay. Captain Herbalist. There we go, Laura. He does. Laura. Sorry, Laura. Also, hello. Hello, Captain. How you doing? Hey, Attack Forex. How you doing? How's it going? Cool, that would have been a loss. So I'm glad. This made me nervous. I was not very confident with that. But let's see. Yeah, start. How's it going, Attack Forex? This low-key sucks a little bit. Wouldn't have come up to get me. It does still feel like if I entered a trade now, I would... Okay, what do you call it? I would be diddling in the middle. Do not diddle in the middle. I think if anything, I'm gonna get a bunch of cool sayings out of all this. I love tech. No, it's very interesting. If there's anything I've noticed is that NQ does not always play ball. It sometimes loves to do its own thing. It's a tad bit unpredictable and frustrating sometimes, but it's okay. No, don't worry, I love tech, don't worry. I understand that everyone here is just expressing their opinions, right? Or their thoughts. Thoughts and opinions. Aww, thanks for the subscriber. Thank you. You all are stressing me out. I thought I would have more time to mentally prepare, but apparently not. Hey, Sass. I apologize. Yes, this is day trading. To some people, I guess this would be called scalping, depending on the scalping definition. I've had discussions about that pretty often. I love tech to be fit. What? This in ES or this in the pound futures? What are you with regards to? Thanks, I think. Look at the 1 hour and 30 minute. What do I see? Let me have a look, Randall. I normally look at the 15 minute and the 1 hour, but I can look at the 1 hour and 30 minute for you. How and why? How are you doing? How's it going? Did it change? Oh, no, I was on ES like an idiot. Give me a second. Maybe go to the right chart here. So technically we broke here. However, the candle itself, the body, did not close above the wick, so it's not a true break of structure. See, this is where I sometimes get confused, because then, I mean, there's this massive freaking fair value gap on the 1 hour. But it is... Thank you. How and why? How are you doing, by the way? Randall Paul? Tell me if I'm getting this right or if I'm absolutely butchering it. But so far it seems to slowly be wanting to go bearish. For me, anyways. Yeah, I feel it's a bit difficult to tell because there's no proper structure at the current moment for me. But again, I'm still new and sometimes I struggle, but my view on gold, so I do not trade gold. So I do not have a view on it. All I know is what I have heard. Oh damn, here we go. All I know is what I've heard, and what I've heard is that it's just going absolutely mental at the current moment. Thanks, Hussein. I apologize if I butchered that. I love tech, sorry. I'm just reading through everything now. British pound futures versus mini NQ futures. So to be fair, I haven't checked the correlation, so I cannot answer that. I can tell you ES versus NQ. Well, I can give you my opinion betwixt the two of them. Mike, is that a boo boo or is that a boo boo? Who knows? Do I trade every day? Yes, I do. I trade both London and New York Open. I see dead people. What movie is that? I mean, there's a bunch of movies where that can be. Deadwolf, you put me on the spot, my brain goes blank. How is the morning going? I mean, it's okay, Deadwolf, you called this, nicely done. It just would have... And, actually, I say Deadwolf. Deadwolf and... I love tech, you did call this. It just, unfortunately, would have tagged me out before it did this. So that would have just been an absolute bummer. But now we've taken some liquidity. So I called the bearish wrong. Oh well. I mean, you can see the breaks here, but on the... Yeah. I still struggle a little bit with the higher time frames. T21 official, if there's no setup, why are we trying to trade? I didn't. And thank you, Randall. Thank you, thank you. So you're trying to show that there was that liquidity that it's most likely trying to reach for, right? Yeah. And I did see all the fair value gaps. So it did tap into that fair value gap. And it kind of looks like it's what it bounced off of on the 1 hour. At least correct me if I'm wrong. Brandolin. That's an interesting name. How are you doing? Never heard that before. I'm assuming that's supposed to be like liquidity raider. What strategy do I trade? It's my own little bit of a strategy. It uses both ICT and SMC concepts. Yeah. And I've only been trading since April, so I'm still baby trader, guys. So that's why I'm still learning. I'm still figuring out things. So that's why I do appreciate the help and your expertise, because the more you know, right? Ooh, Sixth Sense. I think I have watched it actually, just a really long time ago. Yeah, I have watched it just a long time ago, and then I'm gonna call out spoilers, or in case, right? Spoilers. Then at the end he realizes he's been dead all along, right? Liquidity Raider, I have a strategy I like to trade. Easy's one. Sometimes if I'm not feeling super confident in it, I'll just forward test rather, like, oh, crumbs. This may have been a goodie, except it did just take that little bit of liquidity, so it might want to go down, back to VWAP. We've definitely had a break. Now. It's actually quite a decent one. Okay. Might just have to make it a stop though. Into the fair value gap. Okay, well, let's see if it pops back up. Ow, my foot. Yes, liquidity raider there is. Did I adopt the darkness or am I born in it? That's a very interesting question. I've never heard that before. Well, let's see. Either it comes back up and grabs me or it just goes right back down to my stop loss, in which case I will just cancel. Let's see. I do have some protection going on down there. Yeah, it is. It's not a great... I mean, yeah, no, yesterday was awful for me. Hey, Stangen, how are you doing? If I did not reply to anyone, I apologize. Oh, yes, yeah, sorry. There are two streams. There's the vertical and normal. So if you are on the vertical and you're absolutely hating it, pop out. There should be another one that pops up on YouTube's. Yeah? Timo? Did I adopt the darkness or am I born into it? That's a very interesting question. Probably adopted into it, if we're being honest. Oh, see, now I'm not loving this. However, we are. Let's see. You were born in the dark. Okay. Yeah, the price action is not great right now. I'm not loving it, but kind of looks like it wants to go down. No, you know, anything I say now is just me guessing, so. Thoughts, guys? Do you think it's going to go back up? It did take that bit of liquidity at the 500 mark. So I know Deadwolf. Deadwolf, you think it's going to go down here? Okay, and what do you guys think? Is it doing a bit of a fake out to make people believe it's going to go short? Or is it actually going to go short now? Oh, okay, Deadwolf, cool. Okay. Diablo, hello, how are you doing? Oh, you think so? Huh. Oh! I mean, to be fair, I love Deadpool, so it's okay. Mark 1, how are you doing? How's it going? Oh gosh. Ooh, nice, Randall. Okay. So what I'm hearing is this is probably a bad trade to be in right now. Well, I'm not in it yet, so I could cancel it. What is that? Never heard of it. Oh, there's the down with vengeance. Thank heavens it did not get me. Yeah, well, just one session. Kind of. Mark 1, it's a quiet morning for you. Why? Aw, thanks, Matthew Tam. A lot of support going on. Don't think it's going to reject off of VWAP and this little bit of an order block. Probably not, eh? But then watch, I know what's going to happen. I'm going to then cancel this order and then it's going to come back up and hit my TP. Like it flipping always does. The lack of price actions makes me a little bit nervous. Oh, Dead Wolf. Ah, that makes sense. Okay, well, you know what? Let's see. To be honest, I don't know. I enjoy it. I have ES open on the other side because I know ES and NQ kind of drive each other a little bit. Drive each other crazy, more like it, but still. Well, Stangham, he wasn't exactly wrong. It just would have tagged me out of my stop loss before it went up. But then it did proceed to go up. Well, let's see who's right. It does appear that it wants to go down though. But looks can be deceiving. Hey, I know, so I use concept, so I don't just trade ICT, so that's the thing. I use some aspects from ICT, some aspects from SMC, and then I have my own little strategy. Yeah. The bull's at 3 and 3:30. Well, I have to remember what time it is for you guys there. Right now it's 9 for me. Well, yes. Going on to 10 AM for me at the current moment. There's a lot of support going on around this area right now. Damn. But it hasn't broken anything yet. So, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna be right back. Give me 2 seconds. Hopefully when I get back, I'm not crying. Let's see. Can you guys watch my trade for me? Thank you. Hi. Give me 2 seconds. Did I start with ICT? I mean, I started with the basics, I guess. Ooh. Liquidity radar, there's a question. Ooh. Okay, now we see. Mazia, up, up, thank you. Okay, so you think it's gonna go up. Let's see. Either gonna go up properly or it's gonna start dumping. Let's have a look. So, Deadwolf, you're looking for it to go back up one last time, right? Holy guacamole, okay. Some Game of Thrones fights going on right now. Betwixt the sellers and the buyers. I don't know if I want to be part of this. Yeah, Deadwolf, it's very much... I'm a little bit nervous right now, I'm not gonna lie, but let's see. Yeah. That makes sense. But... I know it did take that high. I do know that. I was considering, I was like, is this a bad idea? Good idea, bad idea, good idea. But regardless, we are in it now, so let's see. Well, we're not actually in it now, but you know what I mean. Would liquidity not be down? Oh, here. I mean, the support here, was this just because it tapped into the order block? Could have just been because it tapped into the order block. Went down or up? Oh, yeah. The Asia high. Downside. This point around here, 450? Or are you talking more the Asia low, 430? Do I want to know what that means? I probably don't have. I feel like I don't want to know what that means. Anyways. What shot are you on, Stangam? Yes. Oh, is that where you are? Okay. Oh, guys, this is brutally slow right now. 'Cause, 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 It's either going to shoot off down or it's going to shoot off up. Ooh, okay. Even more left. Ooh, did not do that right. Here we go. Better? We talking this one? 318. Things I love tech. Listen, I'm putting it. Whatever happens now happens, right? If it's a loss, at least I tried. Oh, this was yesterday's yucky one. Oh well. Ah, okay. Do you think it's headed for this? Hey, Brian. Brian, yeah. I'm with Tradeify currently. Yeah, I'm with Tradeify. Okay, Stangam, so you think it's going down there? Sure, that's... I say it's a hectic dip. I guess could be worse. When do you think it's going to reach there? Maybe I should ask you that question. Hey Zed, what's my strategy? What am I looking for? So it's a pretty sweet and simple strategy to try and help my brain get out of the way. Oh, you think so? Okay, by New York Open. So I use concepts, sad boy. Very sad name, by the way. So I just use some of the concepts from both. So I'm technically not exclusively ICT. I just take some of the concepts like the fair value gaps, etc., to basically be confluences. Sweet and simply, I just stick with the trend until it's broken. So it hasn't broken yet, so that's why I'm still staying with this for now. I never know, or who knows, you know. Maybe it's a mistake, maybe it isn't, but at the end of the day, just stick with your strategy. So with the trend, I literally draw top of the range, bottom of the range. There is more that goes into it. I mean, there's the fair value gaps as protection and the order blocks, which I did just kind of... normally I do a limit order, but I did miss it, which is probably a good thing, or else that would have been a loss. Maybe should have tipped me up, but let's see. Yeah, not really. Ryan, are you from SA? Gosh, this price action is absolutely excruciating right now. Anyways, how many trades a day, sad boy? It kind of depends. I don't really, well, I do give myself a bit of a limit. Let's say 6, like 3 in London, 3 in New York, because I trade both the London and New York sessions. I mean, depending on the day. Yesterday, New York session, I didn't get a trade in, and it was really yucky, but it is what it is. Oh, nice. Okay, well, I'm in it now. Where did you move to? Well, a little bit late now, which means it might just either go straight down or it might keep going up. We are about to find out. Oh, awesome. And are you enjoying it? Do you miss South Africa or not really? I've heard mixed reviews. I've heard some people say that they just miss South Africa so much and they can't stay out of South Africa, and then I've heard people say that they never ever want to come back. Again, I feel like, you know, people are just different. They literally just wick me in and it's now gonna drop down. Yep. Hey, Ali. There's a few people that like orb strategy. I know Bob in the New York Labs is orb strategy. He even showed me all about it, and it seems very interesting, to be honest. Randall, okay, so I'm gonna get a lot of hate with this one. A lot of hate for what I'm about to say. I've never been to Cape Town. I know as a South African that's like disgusting, but I've never been to Cape Town. Oh, interesting. Was it not super expensive to move there from South Africa? No, Scott Freeman, I do not. Joe, stop loss, probably. Yeah, it's headed there. Well, it's teasing me, but it's headed there. Absolutely not. I'm about to lose. Why would I give you more money? Oh, yeah. I can tell you that one. Very much. Probably not the worst idea. I actually should have moved it down a little bit. But yeah, thanks, Marcia. That's exactly it. I'm trying my best to keep it simple, because I was at a point where I was completely overthinking everything, and the mental psychology discipline side just went completely out the window. So this is more of a mental thing for me, more than anything else. Yeah. It has. I mean, the buyers and sellers are literally going at it. At 175. Interesting. Okay. Oh, another sub. Oh, thanks. Thank you for the new sub. Much What are we on now, guys? I'm getting scared. Okay, so for those of you that are new, I made a deal with everyone that 1,000 subscribers and I am going to go shark cage diving and video the whole experience for everyone to kind of join with me. I'm terrified. I'm really terrified. But a deal's a deal, right? I stick with my deals. And I'm kind of curious now. Pardon me, no, it's hands off, so whatever happens, happens. So let me quickly go and check how we are looking. Okay. We're still okay for now. We're okay. It's heading there. But, oof, okay. You think so? Sack nasty. So no, I'm in the warm coast. I'm in KZN. Oh, interesting, Scott. Oh, that's actually really a decent one, Scott. Nice. Nice. I can imagine you are super chuffed. Wow, okay. Ooh, I actually do know something in Zulu. I know what a motorbike is. Do not ask me. So I remember learning this in grade 1 and it stuck with me just because I thought it was such a flipping fun word. There we go. Well, at least I tried. And I did mitigate my risk by quite a bit. I did not put as many contracts as I normally do. Yeah, true. So I actually do know what motorbike is in Zulu. This have hit. Poop. Shoot. Oh well, it's fine. No, that was a loss, but it's fine. I stuck with it, and this price action is also not great right now, but it is what it is. Hey, Gregory, how long have I been doing this? I'm still a baby? Yeah, so I've only been doing this since April. Stangam, I like to say we're going to the center of the earth. Yeah. Whee! At least I took a trade. I've been in my head a little bit the past week. And then doubting trades, not taking them, and they would have actually been winning trades. So I'm actually trying to get a little bit out of that funk. 5 years, Scott, nice. Right? You know, no one's ever said that, but I was like, it kind of makes sense. The opposite of going to the moon is to go deeper into the Earth's crust, which is the center of the Earth. Just think. Aw, thank you. Yo, 6 years, nice. And how have you found it? There we go. And what do you guys think? How long did it take you guys to find your rhythm? I know some people just get it, and I'm just like, wow, must be nice. I didn't want to do this because this feels like a bit of a revenge trade. If I had to take this one now. Watch, it would have been a win. Just because I didn't. No! I was reading what Scott said. He said wee! So I was like, okay, wee! Chris, 3 months, damn! You were more of a baby than me! Oh, did it take you 3 months to find your rhythm? Was that it? No, motorbike in Zulu is, correct me if I'm wrong. Like I said, this was grade 1. He said 222, yeah? Is that right? Sammy, you say that I've been, oh my gosh. So Marzia, you're looking happy right now, hey? Because your stop loss was lower down. Or did you get tagged out? Kom sal jy hierdie doen. Yep. Anyways. Yeah. It's one thing I have been looking at. So I used to have it a 1-to-1. And then obviously the stop loss was a little bit bigger. But it just doesn't feel like you go very far very quickly, if that makes any sense at all. Good punter, 1 day. Damn, aren't you a damn cool kid? Oh my gosh. Also, 3 months is quick, by the way. And it's now boring for you. 450, sell side liquidity to be taken. I think that's what Deadwolf is kind of waiting for as well. You think so, Marzia? Oh, you're right, Ron, actually. Accumulation, manipulation. And then it went up. Which is just bloody rude. I'm just saying. Just putting it out there. Bloody rude. Yay! I just probably butchered it, but yeah. I don't know how I remember that. I just remember it. I mean, there's a few. Like, oh, I hope I'm not mixing up. I feel like I'm gonna mix up languages in my head now. Dumela is not Zulu, is it? Oh, interesting, Chris. See, but this is why I find it so interesting, right? Some people are just like, ICT is the way to go, and other people say breakout is the way to go, and then a lot of people be like, don't ever trade breakout. But that's why I say, you know, every strategy works. It just depends on the person, and some people see things differently, and then the different strategies work for those different people. There's not one way to do it. Humiliation, manipulation. Oh, okay, dollar just lost more power. Ron, yeah, the market is a little bee sometimes. Not the buzz bee, another bee. Ah, okay. Damn, Gregory. Gregory, that's interesting. I think it's more... How do I put this? Oh, no, High Life. Tell them to get their stuff together, okay. I think it's just some people don't like leaving their money. For me, I quite enjoy being proactive with it. Maybe it's not, I don't know. Ah, oh, damn, okay. Is Dumela, what's that then? Oh, I butchered the click, I'm so sorry. I'm getting there, I'm trying, I'm really trying. Oh, damn, Scott, I'm sorry. Yeah, that's what I have come to realize. Trusting people is hard. Maybe don't do it. We haven't exactly gone very far, have we, since opening? When it was opening. A little bit of a surge up. Now it's just kind of sitting. Watch this one, probably would have been good. Oh well. Hey, it's just Shani. How you doing? Trade Delicious? Probably. Yes. The NFP, yep. Oh, interesting, Brian. But that's exactly why I say some people swear by some forms of trading, and other people are just like, no, don't touch that. So, I'm not gonna get into that. Fabina wanted to say something and I was like, oh, no. Because it's not something I'll be able to actually win. Let's just be real. Not yet. I'm still learning things. Ooh. Damn, Scott, nice. Chris, yeah, that's basically it, right? Oh, nice. And how's it going, Shani? Damn, Scott, that's impressive. It's lack of confidence, yeah. But isn't it with, like, everything, in a way? That little bit of lack of confidence. I can't trade this because there's no freaking structure. So I'm just gonna... Yeah, I'm just gonna have to wait and see. Maybe another trade doesn't pop up. So maybe it's just gonna be a really big week, which kind of sucks. But especially because it was going so well. And last week was so much fun. Monday and Tuesday were also so much fun to trade in. Yesterday was not. So I've been considering doing DAX or maybe even gold in the mornings. I've heard there's a little bit more stuff happening. But when I then considered that, literally, London was so much fun to trade. Especially Monday and Tuesday. It was awesome. Yeah. It's lost all of its power. Ellie, hi! Or was it Eli? Hello, either way. Always look at the last low and high, not taken out. That is structure. Okay. Oh, but Captain Herbalist, that's exactly... trading is never 100%. Ever. I don't think there's anyone who can say that their strategy is 100% accurate. Oh, name. Yeah, NFP tomorrow. Yay. So frustrating, like, honestly. Well, I mean, it has to happen, I guess, but really, it's just irritating, and this is irritating, so maybe it is just waste. Let me actually see something. No, it hasn't taken anything, I know that. It was there, and there. We are just basically staying in this range for London. So that's fun. I remember Shani, yeah. Bob? Oh, this is the new Bob. Hi. Sorry, I have another Bob that comes to watch me, and I was like, what do you mean? You have been here. Hello, new Bob. How are you doing? I'm from South Africa. Sorry, if I'm not talking, it's because I'm reading what's going on here. Oh, thanks for the new subs, guys. You are making me stressed. I'm just saying. Wait, Marzia, you took a partial TP. Awesome. Well done. Whoop whoop. I know it's probably not what you wanted, but I mean, it's properly died down right now, so this is a bit boring, but anyways. Naheem? I apologize if I butchered that. Love? Do I say love? Do I? I'm sorry. Oh, I think I'm sorry. Have I said love? You're making my brain hurt a little bit here, but it's okay. I believe that price has moved via buy and some. Jeez, let me take some more coffee because clearly it's needed. Hello, Bob. Well then. Oh gosh. I'm gonna get hate for this one. I do not watch either. Well, let's say that. I watched like the finals of the rugby final. I watched it, I was playing a card game, but I mean, it was on in the background. Yeah, so. And it's not because I'm not a sports person, I've never been super big into rugby and things, which I know will get me into a lot of trouble. So I'm a horse rider, that's my thing. That's what I enjoy. And obviously, yeah. I think Eli? Always remember to pay yourself. I'm trying. Oh, I love tech, yes. Sorry, I don't even comprehend. I'm just going, yeah. Oh, Shani. Gosh. Why are you coming here looking for rubbish? Honestly, it's so early in the morning. Is it? Yeah, it's so early in the morning. Aww. Paramount Trader, thank you. I love you too. I hope you're having an amazing day, by the way. Pay attention and involve friends. Do I have friends? Frog, are you a sports person? So I enjoy exercise. I mean, I am a personal trainer. I enjoy exercise. I love my horse riding. Yeah. I don't know. I've just never been big into that. Huh. Sorry, I've just had a bit of a epiphany, but it's okay. Oh no, I love tech. That's so this is why it kind of. Oh wait, no, now we're pushing. True as nuts. Like I said, I wanted to potentially take this trade, and stop it. And I did not. And it would have been a win. Anyways. Graham? I apologize if I... Crawford? I apologize if I butchered that. I'm actually in KZN now. So I was from Pretoria and I moved down here a month ago. Yeah. Very exciting, very new, very different. Oh, that's... Shani, that's flipping cool. Damn, I would love to race cars. Love. I just did the complete opposite of it. Instead of an engine, I went for the horses. But like my thing, some of my friends do hate going go-kart racing with me because I'm very competitive. Ooh, Deadpool, yay! Okay, let's see how this goes. I'm keeping fingers and toes crossed for you. It will be amazing if it works. I'm doing futures what? Okay. Hey Zar, oh thank you. How was your morning going? Sell NQ, buy BTC. Really? You think so? Yes, I'm doing futures, Scott. Oh, flip, sorry. Well, I mean, look at this failed opportunity over here after a loss. Oh well, I guess it is what it is, right? Bob, well, I've only been trading these futures, so yeah. A frog, you guys are distracting me. That's okay. I'm waiting for something. I don't quite know what, but I'm waiting for something decent to happen right now. I'm just not loving the chop, so there might not even be a decent well, I say that, but this one was a pretty decent trade, but I'm a little bit in my head right now, so it's also not great to be trading when you're in your head. Aw, thanks, Frog. Yeah. Listen, it's, I have a lot. Just, there's a little. Yeah. You went through a period of getting burnt out. Yeah, listen, burnout is a proper thing, hey? Burnout is bad, but... Deadwolf, how are you looking, by the way? Mystery Motion 7, I'm doing futures. NQ, or MNQ, rather. I'm doing the micro futures. Yeah. The viewer, yes, it is. Oh, damn, okay. Nice, Astro Chimp. VTO. Well, right now, bullish. I think bullish, but apparently just chip chop is the way it's headed. As you can see, I wanted the bullish. It just got me out, and now it's actually slowly headed towards my TP, which is great. And then I missed this trade, which is also great. The music is dreamy. It's putting you into like a happy space. I've heard gold is on fire recently, so that's very interesting. Wait for retracement into order block on M1. Huh. Hey Kelly, how you doing? Okay, what's the error, Mystery Motion? Gold was always good. True. Stop loss should have been further down. Yeah. I could have been a little bit more. So there was an order block. Yeah. Hey Bernardo, how you doing? I see. Yep. Thanos, thank you. Gregory, no, burnout is, I think, Senora, hi, where have you been? Okay, well, taking a little bit of this liquidity now. So now is it going to use it to go down? I'm keeping my fingers crossed and hopeful for Deadwolf. Oh no, apparently we're just going up. Deadwolf, how's it looking for you, my guy? Bob, I want to eventually be trading for a living. If that answers your question, but it's not for a living right now. I've only been trading since April. I'm still baby trader. Still learning. Ooh, okay, well done. But you're not tagged out yet, hey Deadwolf. Son Yoda, not much. Not much today, to be honest. And Deadwolf, you still think it's gonna go down, hey? After it's taken this high. Can I just say, I would have been tagged out if it didn't take me out first. Just saying. Damn, Wog Dog. You and Deadwolf would make such a cute little pair. Oh, thank you. Yeah. I appreciate it. Frog. Also, why frog? Just out of curiosity. Do you like frogs? Oh, hey Melvin. I was wondering where you were. How's it going? It's the 1 minute mystery motion. No, but that's exactly right. Ooh, okay. So I'm keeping my fingers and toes crossed for Deadwolf right now. Nice, yeah. Nice. English. Nice, senora. Yeah, but that... Scott, I don't know if I'm there just yet. That's the thing. Oh, that's interesting. Thanks, Randall. Yeah, I'll definitely... Let me actually make a note. You think so, Sabine? I don't know. Ooh, okay. Do you think it might go down now? Love Tech? A little wolf. Hi! Oh my gosh, we're getting like a whole pack going. I love this. Hello, how are you doing? Not how you going. I mean, how's the trading going? I can ask you that. No, that's okay, Randall. No, I appreciate all the information. Okay, give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna be right back. Okay, I'm back. What did I miss? But it did just take highs, so this might not be the best. Apparently this was potentially the better option. Damn it. Some good movies. Oh, damn. Okay. I'll help do it now. It's good. it respecting this fair value gap? That's true. Sorry guys, I will answer to everyone now. Give me a second. Gregory, there's always another win out there. No, 100%, right? There's always another trade out there as well. That's what I have to keep telling myself sometimes. Like yesterday New York session, I actually didn't get a trade in. Which was very frustrating, but I had to just remind myself there's always another day, there's always another trade. But you gotta be looking. Yeah, true. Something to learn about South Africa. Look. Actually a very good question. There's not a lot of decent movies, well, that I've watched to do with South Africa. Hey P Shenanigan, how's it going? I mean, that makes sense. District 9, no. I know, but that's not a very accurate... I was thinking, Chappie. I forgot about District 9. District 9 is very funny. Well, maybe not. It's weird. But I wouldn't say that's a very accurate representation of South Africa at all. I'm a little bit bummed about this right now. Oh gosh. But again, is that a very accurate representation of South Africa? Again, I'm just in my head right now, guys. I don't know whether I'm coming or going. Ooh, Jock in the Bushveld. I forgot about that one. I mean, that's a nice representation of the bush, right? Oh, damn, okay. This really has not moved very far, has it? Anyways, yeah, it's probably why it's being like this. It's also just because I didn't take the trade I should have. This one was an ideal trade and I did not take it. Like a chop. Yeah. Tell them, VTO, tell them. Yeah. Old school film. Yes. Cheers, Capital Trading Concepts. See you New York time. Okay. I hope it's an amazing rest of the day. Middle of the day for you. Hey, Scott, how's it going? I'm gonna give a random fun fact that no one, well, it's not a fun fact, it's annoying me right now that no one asked for. My arm is killing me. I don't know what I did. Yeah. Gregory, I'm assuming you're talking about houses, right? Because, yes. To buy a house is just not happening. Any specific dishes, food? I mean, baboti is nummy nummy. There's a lot of variations of food down here in South Africa. That's a very tricky one to ask, Sun Yoda. Laura, I tend to go until around 11, well, South Africa time, 11. Mostly just because my brain needs a break. And that's when I normally go and ride my horses. But sometimes 11 is when it feels like it actually starts getting some momentum going. So, but also you can't sit, I mean, you could. No, it's not, no. You have to give your brain a bit of a break, right? Else it's doing what mine is doing today. I'm just not trusting anything, which is not a good thing. But it is the chop. I'm a chop, no, I'm joking. It's a bit of a choppiness. Like I said, this trade here would have been awesome to take. But check, that was a really nice trade. But unfortunately, I did not take it, so it is what it is. I mean, check it this out. We had that little bit of push. Huge meltdown. That would have scared the living daylights out of me. No, Scott, no. So my horses stay at a stable yard around here. I'm good, thanks, Scott. Maybe when riding my horse? What about that, Scott? Scott, South Africa. Yeah. You think so? You think it's gonna crash now? Yeah, Scott, it's kind of what it looks like right now. I mean, that was a very annoying failed trade, and now... Deadwolf, are you still in this, by the way? Oh, Sun Yoda, yeah, Baboti. What? They printed 16 trillion when? Damn, okay. Yeah. Ooh, okay, Deadwolf. Where's your TP at? Really? Oh, okay, cheers, Senora, enjoy. It's nearly time. No, still have 15 minutes. We good. I still got plenty of time. Well, let's see. Let's see if this... Ooh, someone's car's fan belt is not great right now. Hey, Sammy, how you doing? How's it going? Are we all ready for the day? Well, lunchtime for me. What's the time like where you guys are? Who's morning? Who's like middle of the freaking night? Who's just woken up? What? I feel like I've missed some information, Scott. I should maybe scroll back up, right? Ah, Mr. Andy. So we are same. I'm assuming in the morning, right? It's 10:46 a.m. Mario G, damn. I'm just saying, damn. That's really early. And same with you, I love tech. Oh my gosh. I know it's good to get up and get the trades in, but then do you nap during the day? Oh, that's okay, Sammy. Don't worry, it's been a little bit chip-choppy today anyway, so because of NFP tomorrow. Oh, interesting, Gregory. No. Too thin, wait for New York Open. Randall, it probably will, to be honest. I don't think there's gonna be something here for me, but... which sucks. I need to just recuperate a little bit when I go ride, prepare myself for New York, and just accept that there might not be a trade in New York if NFP is tomorrow. Or there might be a heck ton to do, which will be awesome and a lot of fun, but Oh, okay, bye Scott. Jeff, 1:45 a.m. Yeah, you guys really need sleep, hey? Just saying. Okay, Scott, enjoy. Captain Herbalist. Oh, nice. Where are you from, Captain Herbalist? Gave out free sauce before. What? Okay, so you have like a nap during the day. And then you come back for New York session? Yeah? Damn, market maker. Guys, you guys, wow. I'm starting to feel like I'm pretty lucky with where I am that all of this happened. Well, I guess if you guys have day jobs, then no, because you would miss everything, right? There we go. Yeah. Really? I mean, it does make sense. What would be a non-violent way of saying that, Laura? What do you think? This is the... Oh, flip. I'm trying to think of a non-violent way of saying that. This is the no-no zone. No, no, it doesn't work so well. VT, I mean, probably. What I am kind of waiting for it to do. Now it just looks like it's going choppy again. Which is very frustrating, but it's fine. Okayed? Yes, it is. It really is. I think it's just gonna keep diddling until maybe New York, but even then it might just diddle until tomorrow. Oh, nice. Okay, and how are you finding Spain? Hello, absolutely nobody. That's gonna confuse a lot of people, but hi, how are you doing? Yes, Scott, I must say I quite enjoy the fact that I get to do this. And then I have time in the middle of the day to do stuff. It's awesome. It's really awesome. Okay, you can make noodles. Can you send me some, please? I'm really hungry. Ah, Spanish, yes. Sí. Oh, I guess Vito, yeah. So Jeff right now, again, because I am still a bit new and a baby and I'm figuring things out. I'm sticking with MNQ just because I then do not blow through capital. That's quite a good one, right? Let's not just blow right through capital. Really, Randall? Okay. Absolutely nobody. Well, I mean, I trade both London and New York. So actually, what's the time? I still have time. So I tend to hop on for London. My time is 9 a.m. I know London Open is actually 9:30 a.m. But again, my time, South Africa time. And then I hop off at 11 and then I go off and ride the horses, regroup my brain, and then I'm back here for New York Open. So I trade both. Ah, Laura, interesting. Success zone or the go zone. Oh, go zone is cute. It's like ozone, but yeah, anyways. Yeah, it's just choppy and ranging. I think the one proper trade that I should have taken is this one, but otherwise there was no other real proper setup for me today during London. I missed this one. I was hoping for this one. Like I said, if my stop loss was a little bit lower, this one would have been pretty decent. Alas. Yeah, that's about it. You know what's so funny? VTO and the herbalist could be talking and saying really mean things about me right now. I would have absolutely no idea. So, funny enough, my parents would because they live in Uruguay and they do speak Spanish now, which is really cool. Laura, you love horses? Nice. Well, why do you not go and ride some then? They are, or just go give some a cuddle, right? Aw, that sucks. Well, I mean, I hope so. I don't want to be a scam. Like, literally, that's why I do everything live for everyone to see. They can see that, I mean, check, here was a fail. They can see that I have some fails, I have some wins. Not every day is a green day. Yesterday, unfortunately, was a red day. Luckily, Monday and Tuesday were a green day, so that was great. Yeah, I never want to be seen as a scam. That's why I try to be as transparent as I can about my trades. Hence the live. And I do actually only trade live, so I'll never be trading off of live so that everyone can see that what I say is legit. In the sense of, I am still new and I'm still learning. I'm nowhere near good enough yet. Jeff Koski? Jeff, you do, like, working with the dogs? That is so cool. Oh my gosh. That is amazing. You would love my dog, I'm just saying. Yeah, would you? Maybe not. His nose is not that great. I love him to bits, but he's super smart, but sometimes I'm convinced he's super dumb at the same time. Like I said, love him to bits though. Oh, yeah. You get used to being stepped on. Stepped on, I was bitten the other day. I don't know, you can see the little bruise there. That was a bite the other day. My horse was a little bit of an ass, but anyways. What time is that one, Graham? Ooh, nice. Oh, that's awesome, Azia. So do you still ride or nah, you stopped? Jeff, I think you would love my dog. And he can't, well, he's a proper mixed breed. So he has a bit of everything. Some people think there's border collie in there just because of how he looks. Because he has like a white tail and yeah, I don't know. He's very special. Let's just put it that way. He's very special. Laura, how did I get into trading? So my friend actually introduced it to me because I'm a little bit sick and tired of working for people that take full advantage of my niceness. I know that sounds bad, but you know, people ask me to do things and I just go, yeah, sure. But I don't ask for anything back, and then they just use that to their advantage, you know. Unfortunately, this sounds like I'm tooting my own horn. Sorry if it does. I'm a giver and a lot of people are takers, and they do not stop taking, and I do not know how to say no, so yeah. Gregory, dogs are the best. 110%. They are amazing. I love my dog so much. September 19th and 21st. It's our next trial. That is so cool. So wait, is it your dog that you do all this for? Do you train a bunch of dogs? Is that what you want to then be doing with your dog? Because that is so cool. Like I said, my dog would fail that instantly, I can guarantee. Oh, interesting, Marzia. Yeah, okay, listen, horse riding isn't for everyone, right? Yeah, Dead Wolf C. And it kind of sucks, right? And then they love to take advantage of it. So, sorry, I went off on a bit of a rant there. So basically my friend then introduced me to this, and I thought, you know what, for a little bit of financial freedom eventually in the long run, I'm aware it's not always a quick journey for everyone. Apparently not me, not a quick journey. But yeah, and I thought I might as well just document it and have fun along the way and meet like-minded people, right? Ooh, nice. Sty Guy Bob. I hope I said that right, sorry. Yeah, but that's exactly what I do, hey Graham. Because there was someone I was like, if you want to go and see all my trades, just hop on the live. You can see that sometimes I'm like, there it is that I've got it, and then other times I'm like, I can't see anything, I have no clue what's going on. Ooh, do you want to be doing the search and rescue, Jeff? Is that like your plan? $8:30. Huh. Okay, so I then hop on 30 minutes after that. So I hop on like, so that would be around 8:30 for my time. I hop on at around 9. I mean, I could look at hopping on a little bit earlier. It's maybe an option. Nice, Sty Guy Bob. Yes, it is. It's important to not lose money, 100%. And news coming up. Well, as much as news is coming up, it's actually also I need to go and give my brain cells a breather in preparation for New York. We've got this, right? New York. Anyways, as you can see, apparently I'm going absolutely crazy. So I'm gonna probably call it here for now. Rising trend line. They're not slowly pushing down. Oh, 4 hours, never mind. Yes, I'm on it. I'm on it, Dead Wolf. I'll do it now, promise. Okay. But on this, oh, because I'm gonna start getting FOMO, because look at this. Dead Wolf, are you out, by the way? What's happening? Did you win? Am I whooping you? Wait, who won just now and I didn't whoop whoop? Sty Guy Bob, whoop whoop. Well done. A win is a win. Well done. You get a crisp whoop whoop from me. Oh no. Womp womp. Sorry, Dead Wolf. That's okay though, right? It's fine. We have New York session. We've got this. Hopefully, me and you, we can do this, right? We've got this. Oh no. Are you still in it though? You are welcome, Sty Guy Bob. I said that very fast. Of course, Laura. If you want to join New York, I'm here for New York also, so then we can all have fun together. Anyways. Okay, Dead Wolf. Oh yeah. Oh, sorry. Thank you, LP. If you guys wouldn't mind liking the stream, that would be much appreciated. The more we grow, the more like-minded people we get, and the more awesome conversations and learning we can do together, which I find so exciting. Oh, nice, that guy. Okay. Thanks, guys. Okay, but damn, VT and Capital Herbalist are still just going on. I have no clue what you guys are saying, but you guys look like you're having the best time, so I'm glad. I'm gonna call it there for now. Let me go work me ponies, okay? I'll be back for New York. Hopefully I will see some of you guys then, if you guys are not asleep. Yeah. But I love you guys madly. This was very fun. Deadwolf, I will listen to the song and I'll try and sort it out so that I can maybe play it when I get a win. Okay, yeah? Yeah. Okay, but I love you guys madly. Yes, let me go readjust my brain cells and hopefully I stop overthinking everything for the New York session. Okay, I love you guys madly. I will see you later. Okay, bye.